love chicken burger, but often there is a concern it's typically loaded with calories and unhealthy fat. But I choose to prepare it on my own way. In this video, I'm going to show you my way of making chicken patty. First, take half kg of boneless chicken, wash it with turmeric powder, and keep it aside. Along with that, I have about 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 2 to 3 shallot and garlic, salt to taste, half a tablespoon of cumin powder, some mixed herb, 2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, and I have a round shaped burger maker. I have both small and big size here. If you didn't have any burger maker, it's absolutely fine. You can tap the shape just using your hand. And I have baking paper here. I cut it into a square shape. Now let's blend the chicken. It is fine to have some chunks in it. I choose to blend it with a bit of chunks so that it gives nice taste when we have a bite. Once the blended chicken is ready, let's add all the ingredients one by one. To add more flavor to the meat, I'm gonna saute some shallot and garlic just till it turns golden brown. Pound it and add it into the patty mixture. Chili flakes is optional to add spiciness. Add olive oil and divide the meat into an adequate proportion to make it into a patty. Apply the oil on the burger maker and place the proportion on it. Gently press the meat. And there you go, the patty is ready. Place the baking paper one on the top and the other one on the bottom. That's it. And you can store it in the freezer for later use. Usually I'll use it within a week because I used to make pasta, pizza and another chicken burger some other days. People love the way fast food tastes. However, when it comes to health concern, it is known that fast food are processed, contains large amount of carbs, added sugar and unhealthy fats. So let's create our favorite homemade fast food with natural ingredients. And it's always our choice how we want to make it. I'm sure your little one will love it too. Homemade for your loved one and stay healthy as much as you could. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to the channel for more recipes. Ta-da!